Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we'll try to see how to access the list in Python. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, we have to create the file, right? And save it as, go to the documents and go to the Python programs and save it as accessing list.py, right? And save it. So first of all, we are having list is equal to, right? We are having list is equal to, first one is apple, right? And the next one is banana, right? And after that, cherry, right? And after that, cherry. So we have to print list, right? We have to print list. So so we got the list. So in this, I want cherry. I want cherry. How can you access it? By using indexes. So index always starts from 0. So its 0th value is apple, 1st value is banana, second value is cherry. So if you want cherry, you have to write square brackets. In the square brackets, you have to mention 2, right? And save it and click on F5. Then you will get cherry. So based upon your selection, you will get, right? You will get. So if I write 0, then I will get apple, right? In this way, you can access. In this way, you can access the list. So we can access it by and also, right? So it will every index starts from 0, right? 0, 1, 2. So if we traverse from right to left, like from backward onwards, then you have to traverse from -1, -2, and -3. So from starting, you'll be having 0, 1, and 2. And from the ending, you will be having from starting from -1, -1, -2, and -3. So in this way, you can traverse, right? For example, if I press -1, right? Save it and click on F5, then you'll get cherry, right? So you're traversing from backward onwards. For example, if I write -2 and save it and click on F5, you'll get banana. So you're traversing from ending onwards, right? So in this way also we can traverse on the list, right? We can access the list. And we can access by using, for example, if I want the list of, for example, if I add 2 more values here, like grapes and orange, right? Orange, right? So if you want to access from a list of values, right? List of values, you have to mention the start index and the end index. So I want to start from cherry to cherry to grapes. Sorry, it's cherry to orange, right? So for this, you have to write 6. Save it, 10, click on F5. So then you will get the orange. So here you see the second index is but the second index is cherry, right? Cherry. Third index is grapes, and fifth index is orange, right? But I have mentioned sixth, right? I have mentioned sixth, but there is no sixth, right? So the sixth index will be neglected. Here the point is the last index you mentioned will be neglected, right? Will be neglected. This point you should be remembered, right? So in this way, we can access the list. We can access the list. For example, if I write print list of, if I print list of, right, colon 4, right, colon 4. So you have to neglect this 4, right? From starting from, so if you don't mention anything, it will start from 0th index, right? And it will travel up to 3. You should neglect 4, right? Should be neglected 4. It will travel up to 3 only. The 4 will be neglected, which means 0, 1, 2, 3. So the orange will be neglected. Save it and click on F5. See, orange is neglected, right? Orange is neglected. So in this way also we can access the list. We can access the list. For example, if I write like this, print list, right? So 2 and column, right? And save it and click on F5. Then it will traverse 2 to end, 2 to end, right? Second index is cherry, third index is grapes, and fourth index is orange, right? It will traverse up to end of the list. So in this way also we can access it. This way also we can access it. So we can traverse by using negative indexes also, right? For example, if I write -4 colon -1, right? And save it and click on F5. So it will traverse from -1 to -3, right? -4 also, -4 in the index also should be neglected, right? For example, if we are -1, -2, and -3, right? And -4 will be neglected. See, we are having only 4 to banana, cherry, and grapes, right? Banana, cherry, and grapes. So -2, -3, and -4. Right? Sorry, friends. So for minus, you have to include the minus fourth index also, right? See, we are having -3. See, here you can see, right? Grapes, cherry, and banana. So -1 is, right? -1 is orange, right? -1 is orange. So here you are neglecting starting value, right? You have to neglect the starting value. So we are having banana, cherry, and grapes, right? For example, minus fourth index is banana, right? -3 is cherry, and -2 is grapes. And we are traversing up to -1, right? But -1 will be neglected. So the end of the point is, so whatever you have written from the right side, that number should be neglected, right? Whether it is minus, whether it is plus, right? So I hope you understand, right? So in this way, we can access the list. For example, if I will write if condition, I will write if condition if apple apple in list. So apple in list, right? We are having apple in list, and click on colon and click on enter. Then we get the indentation space here, right? So here I will write print yes, yes, apple in the list, right? So in this way also we can write. In this way also we can write. So in this way also we can get the Boolean values, right? Click on save and click on enter. So it is telling, yes, it is there, right? As it is there. For example, if I specify Achyut here, so which is not there in the list, right? Right? Then I will write else condition, right? Indentation and print no Achyut is not there in the list, right? In this way also we can write. Save it and click on F5. See, no, Achyut is not there in the list. So if it is there, it will print this. If it's not there, it will print this. So in this way also we can write the condition by using list, right? By using list, by using in, right? By using in. So I hope you understand how to access the list. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.